Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to MC's Kitchen and Outdoors. I'm Matt, your host, and what do we have for you today? We're doing pork steaks. It's an old tradition here at camp that I got from Jones Act Survival. We've been doing quite a long time, but I actually took today's meal of pork steaks and turned it around just a little bit. So right now, these pork steaks are soaking in an egg and coconut milk batter. They will get breaded after that, and then they will get deep fried. Should be interesting. I think they're going to come out really, really good. I haven't seen anything online to this extent, but who knows? We already pre-did our French fried potatoes. They're just about done. They just got to be put down for a second fry. And then we have vegetables. We're going to want a combination of broccoli and cauliflower. We're doing some red peppers, some tomatoes, onions, and garlic. That's going to be our vegetable for tonight. So here is our pork steaks in coconut milk and egg and coconut shreds. Also spiced a little bit with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, little red pepper flake, and some Italian seasoning. We've already done our first fry on our potatoes. Here is our broccoli, our cauliflower, our peppers, our tomatoes. We're doing a little bit of the cherry tomatoes in there. And we have our peppers and onions, our onions and garlic. So, stay with us. Wait until you see what this thing looks like. And while you're here, please subscribe to the channel. Comment on this video and give it a like. Give it the thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button. Alright, we'll see you when we get this thing going. We're doing our second fry on the potatoes. There it is. Oh, look at that golden brown. It's not going to take much longer. Then we'll be on the veg and our pork steaks. So, we're just doing a lot of prep. Just getting everything that needs to be done before we go to true video. But we have our pork steaks now coated in the breadcrumbs. Oh my God. How good does that look, folks? Come on. Come on. I can't wait until this gets deep fried. Just sitting it on a rack, letting it dry up, let the breadcrumbs soak up all that wonderful goodness of the coconut milk, the coconut shreds, the egg. Oh yeah, I can't wait to get this in my belly. Alright, so folks, I have started the vegetables. I have our garlic, our onions, and our peppers in our giant, nice crock cast iron. And we are going to go cook these down until they get nice and caramelized and sweetened. And then we'll go ahead with our tomatoes, our broccoli, and the cauliflower. Yes, I know a lot of you guys don't like cauliflower, but holy cow, you know what? I'm a changed man. Cauliflower is a good thing. I used to hate cauliflower. Love it now. I don't know what happened, but I do love it now. So, stick with us. This is going to turn out to be a great meal, folks. Our peppers, our garlic, and our onions to a good, I fogged these out, to a good spot. Nice and, starting to get nice and caramelized. We are going to now toss in our tomatoes. Get those suckers in there. Drop them in. Whole. You want them to burst on their own. Release their own flavor when they are ready. Yeah. Oh, come on. Tell me this doesn't look absolutely delicious. Go ahead. Comment it doesn't look delicious. Because it is. Our tomatoes have burst on their own. They're all nice and soft. So maybe one or two. No, it seems like they're all good. But we are now going to get our cauliflower in. So I want that to cook a little bit longer than the broccoli. Let's get this all mixed in here, folks. It's going to soak up a lot of the oil, a lot of the butter, a lot of the sauce. And we're going to let this cook down for probably about 5 minutes, maybe 10, somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and get our broccoli in, because the broccoli does not need to cook that long. I'd rather the cauliflower cook a little bit longer. Time to get the broccoli in, folks. The only thing we have left to do is, once this is cooked up a bit with the broccoli, is to put our white wine in. We are putting Moscato. It's a no-name brand, but we're putting Moscato in here to give us a little bit of a extra sweetness. But oh, I can't wait. Hey, dude, we need to come out with a smell-o-vision, because holy cow, this stuff smells incredible. Oh yeah. She's finally home. Pork is on. Pork is on. See how good this turns out. I think it's going to be a good one. All right, folks. So, she's home. Finally. It's about freaking time. Food's been plated. What? You got something to say?
Yeah.
Yeah? No, I don't think so.
No, watch.
Food's been plated. We're going to eat. It is time to check out to see how this actually came out. Let's see. How do we want to do this? Well, we'll go with her first.
Hi.
Go. Try it.
Not on camera.
Yeah.
No.
Yes. Yes, I need to know how it is. What's the verdict? Speak up. Speak up, woman. Speak up, woman. All right, well, I cut a piece off for myself. Pork is delicious, folks. Very good. Very, very, oh my God. Let's see if she realizes how I made it. The veg is out of this world. Veg is really good, folks. Oh, wow. Okay. And of course, come on, French fries. Fried potatoes. Come on. But, veg, out of this world. The pork steaks are absolutely freaking delicious. She hasn't figured out what I did with it.
Wine.
No, I'm talking about the pork.
Not yet.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
I fried it.
Yeah, yeah, of course I fried it. Yes, I fried it. Yes. You can't really taste it. There's not much taste to it. There's not much of the flavor. It's there, but it's not prevalent. Cheers. It's not prevalent. So, pork steak, marinated, coconut milk, egg, salt, pepper, garlic powder, red pepper flake, and Italian seasoning. I used a whole can of the coconut milk.
I don't taste that at all.
It's there, but it's very, very, very mild. And I took a fist load of coconut flake. It hasn't transferred. There's got to be a better way to pull that flavor out. We'll figure it out, folks. But on overall, delicious dinner. On point. So, folks, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Take care. And we will see you on the next episode. Don't forget, subscribe, like this video, and comment. Give me some comments. Tell me what you think. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.